Do you think we'll be able to see 200 soon?
So here's what's interesting. When you look at most animals outside of humans, the time that it takes for the animal to undergo puberty and then become an adolescent is then multiplied about 7 times. That is the age range for how long that species will live. So if we take a human, for example, we go through puberty and we finish it about 21 years old. Multiply that by 7. Normally, we should be living to around 150 years of age, but clearly we're not. We may reach, even at most, some of the best of us in the blue zone, 100 years old, 110, and then we succumb to death by then. To me, it's telling me that human beings are not as optimized for their longevity as we think they are. So I think we should have been living longer even now than we expect our lifespan to be. And with potential anti-aging therapies, it could be even longer than 200 years, in my opinion, if everything goes well.
I agree with you. There's a few clinics and a few doctors working out of Europe, and I know my father visited a few of them in Poland even, and he said one of the things they're looking at anti-aging is using a normal baric chamber, not a hyperbaric, but normal, basically
Interesting.
bringing it to an oxygen level that can mimic or be as similar to what we saw during possibly Jurassic times, where things grew
Mm,
very large and very, and for the human cell, it's said to that atmosphere or so is to be best. And maybe that's, something we lost here on Earth a little while
right.
ago. And of course, but it comes back to environment. If your environment isn't primed for you to be healthy, if there are toxins, you're not even breathing enough, you're in a hypoxic state, how do you ever expect to be healthy? And so many of us are staying in this, I think, state of constantly trying to balance, and your body's doing a lot of work to be there to fight off toxins, to fight off stress,
Mm,
all these other things, even EMF.